Daniel is having lunch. He seems to enjoy his meal, and he finishes his dish. Few hours later, he now goes to bathroom. He takes enough tissue. I can guess what he is going to do in there. Oh, he's so clean. Don't forget to wash your hands after using bathroom. Aren't you curious what is happening inside of his body? We are going to talk about digestive mechanism inside of our body. We eat food which is delicious and smells good. But the thing comes out of our body is dirty and stinky feces. How can this happen? Now, let's see how it works. Food we ingest is composed of two kinds of nutrients. Major nutrient, which is carbohydrate, protein, and fat, and minor nutrient, vitamin and other inorganic minerals. Major nutrients needs to be broken down into small pieces to be absorbed in the body. As you see in the picture, large nutrients such as glycogen needs to be broken down to glucose, fructose, and galactose, while minor nutrients are small enough in size to be absorbed directly in the cells. When we eat food, we chew it in the mouth to break it mechanically with teeth and to mix it with saliva containing amylase and lipase, each of which chemically breaks big pieces of carbohydrate and lipid in the food. After swallowing the food, it travels via esophagus. During the passage through esophagus, the food is mixed with digestive enzyme well by vermicular movement of muscle of esophagus. By the end of the esophagus, it goes into stomach. In the stomach, cells in the wall release pepsin, which is an enzyme that breaks a big mass of protein into polypeptide. Also, the stomach cells release hydrogen chloride, which is strong acid. This kills bacteria or any invader from outside. Hydrogen chloride also activates pepsin. After digestion in stomach, the food goes into small intestine through duodenum. In small intestine, maltase, sucrase, and lactase degrade carbohydrates to maltose, sucrose, and lactose. Trypsin and chymotrypsin degrade polypeptide to amino acid. And lipase degrades lipid to fatty acid. The remainder of food is moved to large intestine, which absorbs water and ions. If water is not absorbed appropriately, it causes diarrhea. Bacteria living in the large intestine, which are called E. coli, degrade the remainder, not digested, and this causes fart. At the last part of large intestine, feces is dehydrated and becomes semi-solid form. Finally, through anus, feces is excreted from the body. Feces is composed of residues that is not digested and absorbed. Most of the residue is cellulose, which is component of plants. The cellulose catalyzes movement of intestine so that the feces can exit easily. To prevent constipation, it is essential to take a certain amount of vegetables. Then, what is healthy digestion? In order to have good digestion, it's important to have regular meal time and amount. It's common that people eat 3 meals a day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But it's actually recommended to eat 5 small meals a day. And also the amount of each meal is critical. Those who eat food to get rid of stress tend to have food excessively. Consequently, they have dyspepsia. In addition, it's killing your digestive system to eat anything at least 3 hours before bed. We sleep because we need rest. It's same for digestive system. These organs need break. But if you eat anything soon before bed, we take a rest, but the digestive system does not. Furthermore, What we eat is also important. Too acidic is not good. Food close to neutral is easy for the body. Food with too much salt kills cells in the body. Our body works under homeostasis, which maintains the osmotic pressure. A certain amount of salt is necessary for the body, but too much salt rather kills the body. Alcohol literally destroys the stomach. At once, stomach could bear it because it's good at reproduction of cells. But it would end up stomach ulcer, and ultimately stomach cancer. Simply, exercise helps in digestion, but hard exercise is not good for it. It's all about sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system, but you don't want to know this part or you would be messed up. Things that you think trivial could sometimes play a huge role in decision of the longevity of life. It's not hard to live a healthy and a good quality of life. Everyone can do it. Thank you.